Hey everyone, we have a very special video today. Think about something that we all need as a driver. Just if you're driving a regular car, if you're driving a bus, if you're driving a truck, if you're doing Uber, if you're doing Lyft. You need to protect yourself because these insurance companies are not playing. You always want to have proof that the other person was in the fault and that you were not. Think about it. When you go to a job, they have a drive cam, even if it's just facing the outer part. You don't really want to drive without protecting yourself. I've heard a story one time where somebody actually backed into somebody else, but of course it's going to look like they backed into them, and of course they like, oh no, they did it, they actually hit me, I didn't back into them, but they didn't know they had a camera. Anyway, I want to thank Viofo so much for sponsoring today's video. This is actually something that I needed because if you guys did not know, I do Uber sometimes. Because I know, okay, I can make $300. If I go out today, I can come home with $300. You can only do that if you live in a good market though, and you know what you're doing. So I actually had a dash cam, but it was always falling down. It would never stick. So I was so glad when Viofo reached out to me, because I'm like, oh my gosh, I actually was looking for another dash cam because you need it. Like I said, you should, even if you're just driving, like my mom, she doesn't even drive that much, but you have an expensive car, you got an expensive insurance, you want to protect yourself. You do not want anything, you don't want your rates going up at all for any little thing. So what came with it, we had the dash cam, the HK4 hardware kit. You had the actual dash cam itself. It's the A119 Mini 2 with the Sony Starvis 2 sensor. They gave me a Viofo SD adapter. It came with the wireless Bluetooth remote control and the circular paralyzing lens filter. So that's a lot of stuff that they got for us. And like I said, it's something that is needed. Especially like if you're doing rideshare and stuff like that. If you're a truck driver, it's especially like one little thing can end your career. It's needed. Okay, this video footage is of the drive cam, and I just want you guys to see how clear it is. And like I said, if you ever get into something, you're going to have a clear picture, nothing foggy. I'm talking about this thing is crystal clear. So I'm going to take y'all on a day of me just driving, and so y'all can see how everything goes, and maybe even a little bit of Uber and Lyft. Like I said, my goal is always $300 a day. I'm probably only going to do like 1 or 2 rides today because I am tired. I work a full-time job and I'm tired, honey. This dash cam is voice control, multiple exposure. It really has everything that you need and everything to keep you protected. Alright, so let's open it on up. Okay, like I said, this is a mini, so see how small it is in my hand. I'm a tall girl, so to y'all, I'm really excited because I don't really like riding around with, it's like you're naked. It's like basically like you're naked, you have no protection when you're just riding around and you don't have a dash cam. No, like especially like I live in Baltimore, so they kind of like hike up the insurance rates when people get into accidents in your neighborhood, and it's like, I ain't getting an accident, why you had to raise my rate? But came with some more goodies inside. So yes, you always want to protect yourself, and it is so important when you have a drive cam, something that will stay actually on the windshield. That was my problem that I had with another dash cam that I actually had. It was always falling down, and it's like, say you, of course, you know, you like, oh, of course I'm not going to get into anything, but it's just like, it's just an extra security that every driver must have to protect your license, to protect your insurance, and just to basically see what is going on. You just have to know what is going on and, you know, basically protect yourself. And like I said, it's very clear. It actually has night vision. The drive cam itself, it will tell you how fast you're going. So as soon as I turned it on, it's hurry up and insert the SD card. So it's going to give you that alert. Actually, I'm gonna take this out because when inserting SD cards, you have to be very, very careful. Okay, so all I did was insert the SD card right here. And I'm gonna hook it back up. Make sure that it's proper. I'm gonna make sure that it's properly working.
Recording started.
I just want to make sure that you guys can see everything. Can you see everything? Hello. It's very clear, extremely clear. So it has a Starvis 2 sensor, and that ensures like when it's nighttime that the lights from the other cars, it will not glare, and that you will actually be able to see the license plate. Like I said, in case something does happen. This actually does come with Wi-Fi. It comes with voice control, and honestly, I ain't feel so good since I got it because, like I said, I like to always have myself protected because I do not need any reason for my insurance to go up. It comes with the parking mode, GPS, super night vision, and a Bluetooth remote. The app is my favorite benefit, you know, because like I said, because it is smaller, so it just gives you, you know, a bigger way to see things. And it is just an all-in-one. You can see the date, so there's no discrepancies there. You can see the time, so there's no discrepancies there. Like I said, you can see how fast you're going, so you can prove that. This is how easy it goes on your windshield. You do not have to do anything but just stick it on there. Video file type, video file. Like I said,
voice recording disabled. Recording started.
So when I'm telling you this thing is clear, clear. Okay, so Viofo has so many features, y'all. One of the features, and this is why you should go with Viofo and no one else. They have an app. They got an app. So guess what? Like I'm sitting in front of this right now, and that's what's going on. Like it's live footage. I think honestly, I feel like, I mean, of course, the whole thing is good, but that right there, like, that's invaluable itself. Honestly, that's my favorite part so far. And it's the, like I said, it's the live view. Let me show y'all how you get to the App Store. So, in the App Store, all you do is you click on this if you got an iPhone, Viofo, and then you open it up. And in the app, you can choose your different. In the app, you can choose your different video resolutions. Your loop recording, I changed mine to 10 minutes, but the default is 3 minutes. Record audio volume. High definition HDR, and I'm going to turn that on for me. You can change how long you want your screen to be on. Anything, honestly. But yeah, that is so cool. Live video footage. Okay, everyone. Thank you for watching. I appreciate you all so much. It will be linked in the comments section below, so you can go ahead and get it and protect yourself. And I just appreciate you guys and love you guys so much. Again, this was the A119 Mini 2 by Viofo. And this has sold out on Amazon, by the way, but it is back in stock.